Okay, this is a great question, and it seriously sent me down a rabbit hole. I was gonna give you, like, I don't know, kind of a generic answer, like it's all about control and environment and blah, 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 but I decided to research it. Holy crap, this is like a huge thing. It's like almost worldwide from what I could tell. Like Australia, it originated, the Beatles originate from Australia. They did all this in 1930. And I don't know what year British Columbia did it. Canada has done it, like, with these Beatles to control St. John's Wort. It's, like, huge. If you, like, Google it, like, there are government websites about it that, like, universities have written about it. Little kids have done reports on it. It's insane. So yeah, it is all about control. And so the Beatles didn't actually like eradicate all of, St. John's wort, but they did experiments for like years, like in the lab where they grew St. John's wort and they tested like 5 different types of beetles, found these 2 to be particularly the best. So they take out like the larvae and the beetles to these sections and they let them kind of do their thing. And after a while, a season, maybe 2, I'm not sure. Like there weren't like really super fine details, but after a while, they go in with their sweep nets and collect a whole crap ton of them, right? While leaving some, and they move them to other areas to control that St. John's wort population. Now, I don't know this for a fact, but I believe, since it's so invasive and such a worldwide type thing, that they go out and they test every year, just to make sure that the beetles aren't eradicating, just to make sure that St. John's wort, isn't taking over, in case there is a really low beetle population, just all the things, right? I think they go out and they test and make sure. And if something has gone kind of like askew, they'll bring the beetles back in. So it's such an interesting thing. The biological control, it's a real thing, and they do it with other plants and other things too, but St. John's wort is freaking huge, man. Seriously. I hope that helps. Thanks for the rabbit hole though. Like, no joke. I love learning things. The more you know. Oh.